Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Pythonpool. In this video, we'll be seeing a simple turtle program to draw Indian flag with Python. Let me show you the demo of the program. This type of program we'll be designing today. It will simply draw an Indian flag with the Ashoka Chakra spokes, and let's wait for the moment it completes it, and when it completes it, it prints Happy Independence Day 2. So we'll be seeing this program today. So let's get started. Let's code one file. I'll name it as test.py. After coding the file, let's jump to the code. First of all, let's import the turtle module. So import turtle, and after importing that, what we need to do, we need the turtle pen up. So we don't want to write until we jump to our preferred location, and we'll be jumping to our preferred location in the next line by turtle dot go to function, and our preferred location is x-axis of -100 and y-axis of x-axis of -200. That would be good. So x-axis of -200. Okay, and after that, what we need to do, we need to set up our turtle window. So we'll be calling that setup function, setup, and we'll be giving the width, which should be, I'll say 1100. That would be perfect, and height should be 700. I think that would be perfect for our program. And start x should be none, because there shouldn't be any starter, and same for the start y2, it should be none. Okay, after setting up our window, let's just jump for the logical code. First of all, we need an orange block for us. So let's define the orange block. We'll call the turtle pen down, so it will start printing the colors. First, it will print in black color because it is the default color, and when the pen down function is called, the color is being emitted. And we also need begin fill, because we need our block to be filled with the color. So turtle.begin fill, and this function would be called, and which color it will be filling orange color. So I'll be giving the color in fill color function, and I have the code for the orange color. That's FF9933. That's the color we'll be filling. First of all, what we need to do, when it jumps to the code, we need to turn our turtle to left by 90 degrees. So first of all, turn our turtle, so it will draw the vertical line. It will start drawing the vertical line. So let's turn it left. First of all, left with 90 degrees. And after turning left, what we need to do, we need to go forward 90 units. So turtle dot forward, it should go with 90 units forward. And after that, we need to turn right. So bottom line should be printed. So first, what we need to do, we need to turn right first of all. So turtle dot right, and which by how many degrees? By 90 degrees. And after that, it will go forward for 400 units. That's what the width of our flag. It would be 400 units. So let's go forward by 400 units. And after that, what we need to do, we need to turn right again for the upper vertical line, for the third line. So let's turn right again. Once again, turn right, and right by what? 90 degrees, by 90 degrees. And after turning right, we need to go forward 90 degrees again. So we'll just come down 90 degrees. Now we need to go up 90 units. I'm so sorry for degrees. 90 units. Forward is for units, and right and left are degrees. So turtle dot forward, we need to go 90 units forward. And after that, once we reach up, we need to turn again by 90 degrees. So it will complete the block, and we need to go forward 400 units once again. So after reaching up, what we need to do, we need to turn again with 90 degrees. So right need to turn right actually after 90 degrees. And after that, what we need to do, we need to go forward. So turtle dot forward, the units which have the width, that is 400. So we need to return to that unit. And what after that, once we complete this block, what we need to do, we need to fill the color. So turtle dot end fill will fill the color. And which color it will fill? It will fill this color, which is orange. Okay, now let's define our white block and the chakra. First of all, we need to define the white block and chakra. So what we need to, let me say it is for white block and chakra. Okay, and let me comment it out. And it is for orange block. So let me define it here. It is for orange block. And let me comment it out. So you could easily see which one of the logic we are following. First of all, what we need to do, we need to turn left by 90 degrees. So turtle.left. And after turning left, what we need to do, we need to go forward 90 degrees. So we need to come down 90 degrees. So let's come down 90 degrees. Turtle.forward, sorry, 90 units. Once again, I'm so sorry for this mistake, please. Okay, so turtle, once again it will turn left, sorry, turn left by 90, and now it will go forward. It will go forward. So now it will go forward, but not 400. It will go only 200 because we want circle. We want a circle in the middle for the chakra. So what we need to do, we need to go 200 and then we need to draw circle, and circle will have the radius of 45 units. Okay, and after drawing this circle, we need to draw spokes of this circle, spokes of the chakra. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be drawing the spokes of the chakra, spokes of chakra. Okay, now we'll be defining spokes of chakra. And after, how will we define that? First of all, we need to go to the middle of the circle, that's center of the circle. We need to go. So we need to first of all stop printing our colors. So we need to pen up, and then we need to go to the circle center. So first of all, we need go to function, and go to would have the units, let's say 0.55. Not let's say it's calculated. So that's what the coordinates of the center of the circle. And which color we need now? We need a blue color. So spokes should be of blue color. So turtle.color, I'm so sorry, color, and color would be blue. Okay, and now we'll be defining the range. So for spoke in range, a range of what? Range from 0 to 24, because Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. Okay, so turtle dot go to where? Go to 0.55. Once again, once it draw one spoke, it should again return to the center points for drawing another spoke. So first of all, it will go to that point, and then what it will do, it will turn right. So turtle dot right by, let me say 15 degrees. Each would have 15 degrees. So it will 24 spokes would be generated in 360 degrees. Okay, so after turning right, what it will do, it will now start printing. So I'll call pen down function here. So turtle dot pen down, it will start printing pen down, and after printing, it will should go 45 units. That's the radius of the circle. So it should go with the radius, and radius is what? Radius is 45. And after that, it should pen up. So it should when returning to the same points, returning to the center point, it shouldn't print anything. So it should pen up. Turtle dot pen up. Okay, that's how it will draw 24 lines. Okay, and after that, what we need to do after drawing this line, we need to complete that rectangle. So once again, it will go to 0.10. So turtle dot go to, it will come down to the center where it left drawing the circle. When it left the rectangle, it should come to that point. So that's the point where it is 0.10. Okay, and then it will start printing. So turtle dot print pen down function would also call. Okay, and now it will print the color black, which it would be printing from the starting, which it was printing from the starting. It will complete the rectangle in the same color. So let's define the color, turtle dot color, and color would be black. Okay, and after that, it should go forward with what is left. 200 units we have covered. We have drawn the circle, we have drawn the spokes. Now another 200 units are left for completing the rectangle. So it should go forward with 200 units. Turtle.forward by 200 units. And after that it should turn left for 90 degrees. Turtle.left. Left by what? Left by 90 degrees. And after that it should go forward with 90 degrees. So complete rectangle would be drawn. Now we'll be not defining the uppermost part because it is already being completed by the orange rectangle. So it should just go to the vertically 90 degrees up, and then it should again return for the green rectangle. So turtle.forward and 90 units it would go forward, and after that it should return back. So return back for green rectangle. Okay, now we should return back for green rectangle. And where should we return? From the same point where we started drawing the lower line for the white block. So that's what the point it should return. So first of all it should pen up. So while returning it shouldn't print anything. It should pen up, and then it should go to turtle.goto and go to have the coordinates of -200 and 100. It should go to that point. Okay, and after there it should turn right by 180 degrees. Okay, so turtle dot right by 180 degrees. So it is ready for now green block. So now let's print green block. Let's print that. Let's print that right here. First of all it will call begin fill function because it will fill the color. So first of all let's call begin fill function, and I have already decided the color code. You should check it on Google or somewhere else. You could easily find that. I have already decided that code. So turtle.fill color. Fill color, which color? I have decided the code. You can take reference on this video itself. It is 138808. Okay, and after that color it should pen down. First of all it should pen down, and now after penning down it should start drawing according to our coordinates. Okay, first of all it should go forward. Turtle dot forward because it's already in the downwards direction, so we'll start with going forward. Should go forward with 90 units. That's what the width of our every block, sorry, not width, it's height. That's what the height of our every block. This should go 90 units forward, then it should turn left by 90 degrees. Turtle dot left by 90 degrees, and after that it should get forward by 400 degrees. That's you know why, that's what our width. So it should go 400 degrees. Once again it should turn left by 90 degrees. So let's turn left by 90 degrees. Once again it should go for 90 units forward. So forward 90 units. Once again we don't want upper part because it's already being decided by the white block. It should go forward 90 degrees, and now it should endfill. Endfill the greener color, and after that it should return to the same point, and it should draw a line for the stick on which our flag is being which is holding our flag. So we should draw that stick too. So stick of flag, need to draw that one too. So let's first of all pen up. So while returning it should not print anything. Pen up, and after penning up it should go to -200 to -80. So turtle dot go to, that is -200 to -80. Okay, and after that it should go right first of all 180 degrees. So turtle dot right, now it's in downward directions. It should go right 180 degrees and start penning down. So turtle dot pen down, pen down, should pen down, and after penning down it should go forward by 200 degrees. That's 200 units is enough for our stick. So turtle dot forward by 200 units. Okay, and after that it should pen up. So turtle dot pen up, and it should return to the text area. So where it should print the text, it should return to there. So turtle, and while returning there it shouldn't print anything, so we had penep function there. So turtle.goto, I want my text to be printed at -150 and -170. This is extra space. Okay, and after that we need to decide, first of all, decide the color of the text. I'll give the color, it's deep sky blue. That's my favorite, not favorite but one of the favorites. Okay, and after that, first of all, we need to define the style, how our text would be. I'll consider the I consider the font as Courier. Okay, and it should have 30 as the size. It should be italic for the prettier look, and it should be bold. Okay, and after that it should write our text. So turtle dot write, and write what? Write Happy Independence Day. You all know when is our Independence Day, right? So just run this program on that day. You'll feel special. Font should be defined in the style, and it should be aligned to the left. So align should be to the left. Okay, and after that we need to hide the turtle. So turtle.hide turtle, and we need to have it done. So it should hold the output. Turtle.done. And I think we have done with this program too. Let's hit save. Let's run the program. That is python test.py. Let's see if it does the work perfectly. Yes, it is drawing the spokes right now, jumping to the middle, 24 spokes, then it completes the rectangle. Okay, we missed something. I think we missed something. This should be, we missed a line, I think. Okay, we got much of the width, height. It's 10. Let's hit save. Let's see if our program runs right now. Okay, first block done, second block also done. I think this time third block would be done. Yes, it is done, and we are successfully done our program. So I wish you all happy Independence Day in advance. I hope you are having a great day ahead. Thank you.